I just want to get a little recording of everything that we got cleared, because this is the beginning to the 300-foot sand drag. It's gonna be badass. But the starting line will be kind of over in this area, and then right about where that tree line is a little before it's 300 foot. Should be cool. Now real quick, let me explain, because I didn't, really explain or commentary the videos when I was recording them, where we started. We got 5 acres, and the last roughly 2 acres is wetlands, considered a swamp, a low spot. I'm going to show some video footage and stuff of when this had 2 feet of water. I mean, it was unusable. I've been here 9 years, and this year I went for a little golf cart ride down to the neighbor's house, and they had cleared their whole backyard. Used to be like mine, I'm going to show you. And they brush hogged it, cleared it, and grew grass, and it's never been that wet. So I kind of had that same concept for the last 2 acres, and I'm staring at it one day going, what kind of motorsports can I do back here? Dirt bike track, which still might get some jumps, but I'm kind of person that likes going fast. I thought 300-foot sand drag or dirt drag. I'll have 300 foot and a pretty easy, safe 300-foot shutdown. And I mean, you could roll to 500. You're just getting closer to my house, but it'll turn out pretty good. This is just the beginning of it, so it's pretty rough. What's cool is I'll keep showing progress until it's a 300-foot drag with a pro tree, timing setup, finish line, grandstands, an announcer. You never know. It could go far. But my plan is be able to race the mower on it, my blue dragster, the little buggy, anything. Daily drivers. I might put paddles on the 65. I always thought that'd be fun. So I'm going to show some of the ins and outs and where this was and where I've got it to today. Hopefully you like it. In the middle of the swamp. Alright, we're gonna have a recovery mission tomorrow. The golf cart's gonna get us out of here tonight. Ooh. Got a lot done. broke one mirror off my truck to get back here. Clearing it. I'm gonna clear it. I drink a lot of beer doing it too. All right, straight ahead. There's something about being back here, because I've lived here 9 years and I haven't gotten to use it other than getting stuck. That is the property. About 2 acres back here that I've uncovered that we're gonna get to stay dry. Might be a bunch of people saying bullshit. I got my ways. But, like I've said, building a 300-foot sand drag, dirt drag, whatever, it's gonna be 300 feet. And it's going to be off-road drag. But we got to do a test. So I'm going to use the golf cart and light it up. I'll probably rip it for 200 feet. It'll be bumpy, but we're going to see what it feels like. Here goes nothing. Alright, that's the road most traveled, safe way. Because I got a little bit more shit to get out of here, I'm going to try to see if I can take the back side of that. And if I get stuck, I got all day tomorrow to try to get it out. Let's see if I can stable this thing and drive. Oh yeah, look at that. With a golf cart in the bed. Don't worry about that noise. It's just GM's IFS junk front end. Oh yeah, it's a bulldozer. foot to the east, about 200 feet to the north to clear.